Raindrops falling from the sky, splashy puddles rolling by. Little chickie hears a sound, someone's crying, look around. Yellow chick, brave and quick, found a leaf and grabbed a stick. Rode across the flood so wide, with a tiny heart full of pride. On a basket floating near, little baby filled with fear. Chickie